Hello explorers, it's good to see you on another sunny day.
Hello explorers, Barnaby here, your trusty helper.
Barnaby, what are your plans for today?
Well, I'll be working in the music garden. Come along with me.
Come along explorers.
Hi, Mr. Drum. Oh, another drum? It's a party! This reminds me of another element of music.
Texture is the thickness or thinness of sound. Let me tell you more. We'll be exploring two types of textures. The first one is thin. It's called monophony. This happens when one sound or melody is played by instruments or singers. This can happen with one person playing or singing a melody or one sound, or a group of persons singing and playing together the same melody or the same sound. The next type of texture is thick. We call this homophony. Different sounds or melodies or harmonies are played by instruments or singers. This happens when many persons come together to play different melodies or sounds together at the same time. Let's have a texture challenge. Choose a side. Are you group 1 with Barnaby or group 2 with me? Get your classroom instruments or body percussion actions of your choice to play the game. Let's go. Here is number 1. 1, 2, 3, go! Beat, lemon, orange. This is monophony. Here's another example of monophony. Go! Nice. Here's an example of homophony. Go! One more time, go! Nice. Homophony, 1, 2, 3, go! One more time and... Good job, explorers!
Good job, explorers!
It's playtime! Choose a side. Perform the rhythms on your side using body percussion or classroom instruments to create monophonic or homophonic textures. Here's the first one. Monophony. 1, 2, 3, go! Keep going. Homophony. 1, 2, 3, go! Going, explorers. Back to monophony. All beats. Beat, 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 beat. Back to homophony. Take a look at the rhythm. Homophony. 1, 2, 3, go! Keep going, explorers! You're sounding great! Dance break! Let's see your dance move. Let's get back to our performance. Homophony! Go! Keep going. Super cool, explorers! What have we learned today? Texture is the thickness or thinness of sound.
We explored two textures today. Monophony, and that is a thin type of texture, and homophony, which is a thick type of texture. We had so much fun!
See you next time!